So this is the first room that you encounter when you enter the student surgery lab and clinical skills lab. And this lab has many functions, but what I need to get right now is some medical records so that we can start documenting things with our patient. This is where all of the medical records are kept, and they should stay here unless they're in the immediate vicinity and you're filling out forms. So I'm going to locate my group number and take the file out. And it's empty, and I'm going to fill it with blank medical record documents. Now I'm going to take a blank master problem list form, a blank physical exam form, and a blank progress notes form. And I'm going to write the patient name, the group number, the patient's species, gender, breed, and age in this top corner of every single loose page on all forms. That's really important. That's part of the medical record, and so make sure that you have identifiers on all of your forms. These forms then get placed in this record, and they're kept there. Other things in this room that you need to know about is there's a large whiteboard over here. And we write announcements on this whiteboard. Take a look at this whiteboard for any announcements during the course of the lab. So next we need to get into the dog holding room or the cat holding room. And those rooms are secured, and most of the time they're locked. The keys to these rooms are located on top of this small refrigerator. There's a key for the cat room, and there's a key for the dog room. Now, if the key isn't here, that means that in all likelihood there's somebody already in the room. And so we can go to the room and knock on the door, and they'll let us in. So I have a dog that's been assigned to our group, so I'm going to take the dog key, and now we're going to go find our patient.